session of English. We are going to start with a new chapter, that is the tiger's claw. Okay, now do you know what is claw? What is claw? The animal, right, is having, have you seen the wild animal or birds? They are having sharp nails, yes. Right, they are having paws, right? So that is what? That is claw. Okay, so that is what? Claw. So we are going to learn about one wild animal, that is tiger. Now you all are scared of tiger, yes or no? Yes. I know you people are scared of street dogs also. Right? So of course if we talk about tiger, it's like heights. Right? Now, so in this chapter, there is one narrator. The name of the narrator is not mentioned. Okay, the name of the narrator is not mentioned. So he encountered the tiger. Encountered means the tiger was in front of him. Right? Now of course see the situation. You just imagine street dog and then imagine tiger. Right? So the man was so confused that now what to do? Now what I'll do? Now of course this tiger is gonna eat me. Of course I will be the food of the tiger. Of course, right? Of course wild animals are very dangerous. So the man encountered what? Tiger. Okay. Now here, in such difficult situation, right, the man was very confused. And even you know that animals are scared of human beings, right? So even the tiger was quite confused at what to do, right? So both were, what they were doing, now tiger was making different kind of sound. You know the kind of, the way tiger used to growls, right? So the tiger was making his sound, his deep sound, heavy sound we can say. And the man was scared. Okay, so all of a sudden he remembered or he thought of a circus. Now, you all went to the circus? Yes? Now, in a circus, whatever things they used to do with the wild animal, it is with a table or a chair or something like that, some object. Right? They use some object with that. So, what he thought that I will save myself with the help of table and with the help of chair. So he was having one table and chair in front of him. So what he did, he just put the table in the corner, right? And whatever small space he was getting, what he did, he sheltered himself. Sheltered himself means? Not exactly, but shelter means, for example, हमारी जो छत होती है, that is our shelter, right? It protects us from heat and whatever sunlight, heat. It protects us from rain, everything. So that is shelter for us, right? So for that man, at that time, table was the shelter. What was that shelter? Table. So what he did, he just took the table and he just took a small space and he used to hide them, right? Now what he did, he take a chair as well. Now why chair? Any idea? To hide himself. How? Yes. In front of table, what he did, that he replaced the chair. He placed the chair so that the tiger could not see him. Right? Now, with the sound of this table and chair, sometimes animals are very scared. Right? Wild animals are very scared of such sound. Right? So even the tiger was scared with the sound of chair. That what is this going on? Right? And now in such situation, the narrator is very comedy. He is very humorous. He is thinking that tiger will think that I am spoiling his food, right? He is thinking about tiger, that what tiger might be thinking. Tiger might be thinking that this man is spoiling my food. Of course, that will be yummy yummy food for tiger, right? So here, what happened, that the tiger came near to the narrator. Now, when it came near to the narrator thought that today is my last day, that I am going to die and I am not going to go for work anymore. Now it's my last day, right? The manager, the officers have to arrange another person instead of me. This things he was, this much thought process was going in his mind, right? Now what he did, he thought that I will use the method of circus. With the help of chair and table, I will save myself. So he just used to drag, he tried to drag, you know what is drag, right? He tried to drag the chair. So what happened, when he dragged the chair, tiger started making the heavy sound, you know what, the sound of tiger, you know, right? And as he was scared, the tiger moved 2-3 steps back, right? Now for a while, they both were looking at each other. What they were doing, of course they don't have any work at that time, so they both were looking at each other. For some while they continued this, they were looking at each other, right? Tiger was looking at him and he was looking at tiger, right? Now after that, what happened? After that, again the tiger started moving. Now moving means, have you seen the dog sitting? Have you seen the dog sitting? How they used to sit? With the 2 legs, and they used to sit like this, right? And the tiger in the same way, the tiger, what he did, he sit on the ground. Okay. What happened? What I was saying? After that, tiger was tired. So he thought that I will sit. And he started making the sound, he started rubbing his claw. You know na, how they used to do, right? With the nails, the tiger started rubbing the ground. And that sound was very irritating and annoying for that man, right? That sound was very annoying for the man, right? So again, he was, as I told you, he was not scared, but he was humorous. So he thought that today is my last day. I have pity on my future wife. कि उसके पति को तो किसने खा लिया? So he was thinking this much of things in his mind, that I have pity on myself and my wife, that his husband, her husband was killed by a tiger. He was not married also, but he was thinking this, that God, in such situation, maybe God will save me, right? This was also there in his mind. So in this way, the part 1 ends. Part 1 ends in this way. So part 1 is clear to you people, the encounter of a tiger and a man. Part 2 we will complete afterwards. First we will write the meanings of part 1. Okay students? Yes. Okay. So till that, keep learning, stay home, stay safe, bye bye. Take